Solve each equation for the variable indicated. Now here you will notice that I am not using multiplication sign in between. So p and v are different variables, and when no sign is there, that means it is multiplication. So p times v equals to r times t. And we need to isolate for v. So we need to isolate for v. This is what we want. And in this equation, we have a equals to L into W. When we are multiplying two numbers or variables, we don't have to write multiplication sign in between. It is understood. And we need to isolate for length L. So it's a familiar formula, which is area is length times width. So I'll tell you the steps and you can complete in the meanwhile. So when we have product and we want to get one of them, then the method is to divide. So let's divide by what? We need L, not W here, so we'll divide by W on both sides. That is the step to get our answer, right? So let's do that part. So we'll do division by W on both sides. We get A divided by W equals to L times W divided by W. Now you can see that we can cancel out W's, right? So we get L equals to A over W, right? So that is how we get the length as area divided by width. So that becomes length in terms of the other two variables, area and width. Okay, let's do the same process here also. We need V, we don't need P. So we'll divide by P, correct? So we'll do PV divided by P equals to R times T divided by P. Now P and P will cancel out, and so we are left with V equals to R times T divided by P. So that's how we can isolate the variable indicated. So remember, whenever there are products, you may not have multiplication sign in between, but it is understood. And to isolate variable in such cases, you need to divide by the other variable on both sides. Thank you.